Welcome to yet another interview. I have with me CA Dhairya Gupta. He will be sharing his success story, how he made almost 70-80% return, that is approximately 70,000 rupees on a capital of 1 lakh rupees in just a very short span by learning and by enrolling into our coaching system and enrolling into Trading Success Formula. Before I begin with Dhairya Gupta, I would like to share this happily. He was one of the action taker who joined my course, I think on the very first or second day, right? Dhairya, if I'm not wrong, since I launched,
Yes,
you joined in. I think on the very first day you joined in, is it?
I was just waiting that when the course details and everything will come, and as soon as it was there, I was pretty much sure that I need to take this action.
Super. So Dhairya, you are chartered accountant already. So share us some of your thoughts about what beliefs you had about stock market. What was your intake, or what was your journey of stock market before you enrolled into our courses?
So to be very honest, in my family, it was very conservative about capital markets and everything because a few members invested back then, and due to various reasons, they were like little conservative that you can first focus on anything else and then try to do this. But in my articleship days, I was I guess at the end of first year of articleship, I was having some capital, and I decided let us invest it somewhere. And I thought, okay, I should start with mutual funds. But over the 6 months period, I came to know, quite reading and everything, I came to know that there is a heavy transaction charges. They charge pretty much management fees and everything. And I thought that I should, on my own analysis, try and trade. And I started trading in few of stocks and everything. And apart from few good IPOs, whenever I tried to trade based on any news or any tip on WhatsApp, any now and then it comes. So I was not able to gain anything. In fact, I was losing my money, and I was pretty much sure that what I'm doing is just trading in the name of gambling. But gambling in the name of trading.
Right.
So I was just doing that thing. I was not properly doing trading as per my technical analysis.
So you have suffered the pain of losing your hard-earned money, and then you decided to change the course because you knew that this way of just trading on tip basis something is not going to work. So tell me, what was your thought when you enrolled into Trading Success Formula? What was your expectations, and how have I been able to meet them?
So to be very honest, as soon as I got my first salary, I was sure that I need to do proper trading, proper investing.
Right.
And as said before, without any guidance, I again did a trade and made some losses. So I was searching for some credible person who can guide me along. And there were various number of courses and classes, but they were charging hefty fees in lakhs. And then they used to say that we'll give you support for 1 month, 2 months, or 6 months. But I was sure that this is a journey in which you need to learn every day. I can't stay connected for only 1 or 2 months and I'll say, okay, I have learned everything, because no one can. It's a 365 days continuous process which is going to continue till you are there.
Absolutely. You need, all the time you need someone who is holding your hand and who is guiding you.
So I was looking for a credible face. Then your few videos came in which you talked about that you are coming up with some classes, with some courses and everything. Then I had a word with you, and I guess as soon as the videos were out, I thought it was around 9 to 10K which I need to invest for my learning. It could be my movie expenditure annually for one movie 1 month. I can do that, but if I learn something valuable here, it would be an asset for me for the lifetime, and it will also give me financial independence.
Absolutely. This is brilliant thinking. Many people, to be very, very honest, they do not like to spend money on themselves. And you took the right decision that instead of wasting money on movies, I'm not saying wasting it is necessary, entertainment should be a part of your life, but investing in, movies will not give you money, but investing into courses, you can make money and you can enjoy more movies there.
Yes. Right. So as soon as I started course, so first I took both the modules. In first modules, I came to know what is actually candle, how to read it, what is open, high, close, and everything. So apart from that, as soon as I understand the basics, then I move to the strategies. Each strategy is designed one by one, step-wise way, and after every strategy, you have focused on one thing. Setup is important, but equal importance should be given to your mindset. Until and unless your mind is clear, your setup won't work any day. So that was the best part, which I was looking at everything, and I was thinking, oh, okay, first telling me to give importance to a setup. I need to be aware of that, and then I need to do my proper trading.
Absolutely, absolutely. And I always believe that, you should focus on doing good trades. P&L should be a byproduct. Many people have this habit of keep looking at the P&L and they don't make good trades. That should never be the way, right? So those were your expectations, that you'll be learning something and you gain some knowledge.
Yeah. So as soon as I started, I did one strategy, two strategy. I learned everything. Then I tried to backtest it. I still remember as soon as I learned one thing in midnight, I guess 12 or 1 a.m. I thought, I need to ask it to sir. I messaged you, surprisingly to my fortune. You were awake. You explained me everything. So it was a morale booster to me that, okay, I have learned something right now. There is one person who has taught me, who is still available to help me out. And I can tomorrow when market starts, I can at least backtest it. It is working as per my expectations or not. So I was pretty much satisfied.
Super. So, what I remember is on 11th of August 2019, I launched my course, and it's almost, we are doing this interview on 16th of July. So it's almost 11 months have gone by, and are you happy with the support that I have been providing?
Yes, sir, definitely. In fact, during this lockdown, when everyone was ideal, you were arranging some extra strategies for us. You were making us sure that, okay, you need to do this on setup basis, you need to do this on mindset basis. So it was really great support. I guess apart from the strategies given in the module launched back then last year, we have learned 2 more strategies. Just because you were there 24/7 learning strategies for us, backtesting it, and then letting us know that how it works.
Yeah, expiry strategies we learned, and today itself is the expiry day, and I hope you would have made some money on expiry.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah. So you enrolled into courses. What was your capital when you started trading after learning the courses?
So after the course, I started with 1 lakh rupees capital. Okay. And I was sure that I need to trade in small quantities, but I need to stick with my setup.
Right.
So I should be aware that what is my stop loss, what is my entry price, what is my exit price.
Absolutely.
And with consistent following the rules consistently, I was slowly and steadily getting good returns. And if I look back, I was able to have 60 to 70% returns from my capital invested.
Okay, so if I put in numbers, in just a span of 11 months, on a capital of 1 lakh, on a conservative side, can we say you have won 60-70,000 just by applying our strategy? Is it just applying our strategies, or anything else was also there?
No, sir. Mostly it was your strategies only. Just here and there, one indicator I might have added. Otherwise, the pure focus was just on how sir have told us about the strategies. What should be my entry price? What should be my exit price? What should be my stop loss?
Absolutely. So, superb, Dhairya. First of all, you have set up a your trading system, and it's a very sound trading system that you're working on. That is giving you a 60-70% in the first year is absolutely phenomenal. Right? So I would like to congratulate you on this journey, on your success journey, and we wish you make continuous profit, much more profit, and keep inspiring a lot of aspiring traders who are thinking that stock market can give them money. And before we wind up, there is one or two questions I would like to ask.
Yes.
What message you would like to give to a new trader, or to someone who is thinking that, okay, stock market is gambling, stock market doesn't give money? What would be your thought on this that you would like to share with fellow traders?
So my couple of takes would be, first would be, don't look around what is happening. So I yesterday only, sir, I read a fact that getting into IIM, the success rate is 1.9%. In becoming a successful trader, the rate is 1.77%. So if you look at the math, or you look at the statistics, you will always be worried. But if you are sure, if you have a person who is credible enough to give you guidance, go there. And if it's your passion, then you must go there. Don't look at history. No one in the history predicted there will be a pandemic like this, but it did happen. So don't look at the history, just focus on your passion, and most important, just don't be ready that I have got a perfect setup. Before a perfect setup, a perfect mindset is the most important thing.
Absolutely.
There is a perfect mindset. Setup will always follow what you want.
And there's, many people, even they come to me that stock market doesn't give money. This is not something. So you have earned a lot of money, so you would be the right person. Apart from me, if I tell, people will think like I'm selling my course and all. But you being a trader, can you throw some light on? Can someone earn consistent money from stock market by applying knowledge, or what should be the way to earn consistent money from stock market? Should they go randomly? Should they learn themselves, or is it right to go to someone and learn something?
So to be honest, sir, there is no point in doing a random trade and then realizing, oh, I have lost my money. Absolutely. That would only give you guilt, and that will only give you regret that I have taken money from my friend, it was my hard-earned money, or it was taken from my father. If you have a person who can guide you step by step, if you know that you have tested this strategy 2 or 3 times, if you are sure that I can take the exit with proper capital risk management, then you must take an entry. Also, sir, I am very happy after joining your course. Post 6 months, I run a WhatsApp group in which I give them my there are a few couple of friends of theirs are there, and I give them a guidance that I guess you can take an entry here, I guess you can take an exit here. Firstly, they used to ignore that, okay, he must be saying something randomly, there are a number of groups. But now they believe and they take an entry, they thank me that you have made us gain some money. And it gives you immense happiness and pleasure that, okay, just because of your technical skills, your knowledge, you are making yourself financial independence.
Absolutely, absolutely. And that is my dream someday, that I want to be a full-time trader. And I don't know what about you, but yes,
definitely, sir. Also, I am trying for that, but it's a slow and steady process. So we need to do it every day.
It can give you at least some financial freedom, some independence, and you can make alternative sources of income that can help you throughout your life. And this knowledge will be your lifelong asset. So thank you for giving your time.
Just one thing, sir.
Yeah, please.
I want to add. Other than your strategies working on intraday basis or on hourly basis, it works beautifully for taking a positional trade, for taking a swing trade, which involves a couple of days span. You can take an entry on a daily candle basis. You can relax after 3-4 days. You will see your capital invested is giving you some amount of returns.
Yes. So same strategies, if you apply on a daily time frame, it will be giving good results as well.
Good results also.
Yeah, super. So many congratulations, Dhairya, for this journey. Thank you so much for sharing this time, and definitely this interview will be inspiration for many fellow traders who are coming or thinking to come in stock market. Thank you so much for your time, and keep making consistent money from stock market. Thanks so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.